Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a simple bass sample just like this and turning it into a drop that sounds like this. Basically what you want to do is start off by adding an OTT to the bass sample. I have the depth at around 29%. Add some distortion on it, usually keep it around the same settings, have it on overdrive. And for an EQ, I just cut out the lows and boosted a tiny little bit of the highs. Put a comb filter on. I actually have no idea what I'm really doing with this, but I put it on the minus setting and put that around 96 Hertz. Then with the disperser, I chose the fundamental key of the track, which in this case is D. Put one at D6, copy the same settings and put it at a frequency lower or higher, it doesn't really matter. Then I put a frequency shifter on, put this at around minus 190 Hertz, put some wave shaper on there for some good saturation, and then some reverb that you can automate, as you write your drop. And finally, just a Pro Q3, cut the sides out at 120 Hertz and cut it to about 190. After you've got all the effects on that bass, what you can do is cut it and rearrange it to make a pattern that you like. I ended up coming up with this. I just added some extra sounds in there and routed them to the same track as the first bass. After you've got your bass sounding how you want it to, throw in some drums. Then what you want to do is throw in your sub, automate the channel pitch, set it to 12 semitones, so one full octave, have it pitching down, and what this will get is you get a really nice pitch effect that increases the attack of the sub at the start, so you should have a sub sounding something like this. Then you can throw in just a simple build-up loop. Cool, and then obviously once you've laid everything out, you can throw everything together. Don't forget to put sidechain. I just use Fruity Balance. I route everything to one track with Fruity Balance on it that I want sidechained and automate it accordingly. Then after all this, you should have a drop sounding like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in some way. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with a friend.